Hello everyone, my name is Stephanie Snowden Harmon and I'm a board certified nurse practitioner here at the Wellness Room in Knoxville, Tennessee. I would like to welcome you to our live Virtual Ellacor event where we will be discussing everything Ellacor. We hope you enjoy our event, but please stay tuned to the very end where I will be answering all your questions about this amazing revolutionary treatment. I'm so excited to announce that we are going to be giving away 2 promotions for our virtual event. 2 lucky winners are going to receive $500 off of their Ellacor treatment and receive a free skincare basket that will boost their Ellacor results. So what is Ellacor? Ellacor is the first of its kind technology that actually removes skin without surgery. Yes, you heard me right. This device actually removes skin without surgery. It's FDA approved to treat moderate to severe wrinkles and laxity in the mid to the lower face. Even though it's approved for the lower face, we are treating other parts of the body and seeing fantastic results. So how does this device work? This device actually has teeny tiny hollow needles that oscillate back and forth into the skin, removing little pieces of tissue pores from the skin. You can see anywhere from a 5 to an 8% reduction in skin without scarring. So how is Ellacor different? Ellacor is the only device on the market that actually removes skin. Ellacor does not use heat or thermal energy. Like traditional microneedling and RF microneedling devices such as the Morpheus 8, those needling devices don't actually remove skin. Ellacor actually removes skin. So the skin tightening that you see is because there's actually tissue removed with each treatment. So who is a good candidate for Ellacor? I actually love this question. Ellacor is approved for anyone over the age of 22 with a skin type of 1 to 4. This device is actually not approved for darker skin types due to the risk of hyperpigmentation. But for the ones that it is approved for, if you are seeing any kind of laxity or jowling, Ellacor can definitely improve that area. It's also great for those that aren't quite ready for a facelift or opposed to a facelift. This is a great treatment for you. And even those that's already received a facelift many years ago and that just want some skin tightening and don't want to redo the surgery, Ellacor is a great option for you. So when do you see results? Results actually vary from person to person. However, I have seen improvement in as little as 3 weeks post-procedure. Results will continue to improve every month as collagen builds, with final results appearing up to 6 months after procedure. So what is the downtime of Ellacor? I like to say that there's a social downtime of 1 week. That means no important events or social gatherings for 1 week. The first 4 days you can expect swelling, redness, maybe some possible oozing from the site, and there's going to be some grid-like patterns in the treatment area. On day 5, the little pores are going to close and you can begin to wear makeup. By day 7, you're about 75 to 80% healed. Again, you can wear makeup. You're probably going to have some redness in the area, and that redness can last anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks. However, it is easily covered with makeup. We will see you in the office 2 to 3 weeks post-procedure for a complimentary laser treatment to speed up the healing process. Hi there. I am here with Miss Judy today, and she is interested in doing an Ellacor treatment. One thing about Judy is she has taken really good care of her skin, as you can see. She actually had a facelift years ago. She had a lower face and neck lift. And since then, she has noticed that she's starting to develop some lines around the mouth, including the upper lip, also, the marionette lines here next to the chin, at the corners of the mouth, and then also a little bit of jowling, not bad, and then also a little bit of laxity in the submental area. Also, go ahead and smile for me. Yes, and you can also see some smile lines out there. So those are the lines that concern her, and that is where Ellacor comes in. It's a great option because we can do some skin tightening around the mouth. One thing I do want to point out is when you do have a lower face lift, the surgeon has to be very careful in how much skin is removed and how much pulling there is around the mouth, because it can actually make the mouth look distorted. And that's something that we don't want. And that is where Ellacor comes in and can give you that tightening around the mouth without making your smile look weird or your mouth look weird whenever you're talking and animating. So Ellacor is a great treatment, even for plastic surgeons. A lot of plastic surgeons are bringing Ellacor on because during the facelift, they are actually treating around the mouth, so that way they get tightening everywhere. And that's just another great reason why Ellacor is so useful in our industry. But for Judy, the lower face and treating a little bit underneath the neck here will keep the result of her facelift looking good, and then she may never have to go under the knife again. Well, that includes our Virtual Ellacor event. We want to thank you for attending and learning all about Ellacor. If you have any questions, please stay tuned for our live Q&A session. If you would like to schedule a consult or learn more, please give us a call or send us an email, and one of our coordinators will assist you. Thank you.